Welcome, Cookmasters! Ready for a plant-based twist on a classic favorite? Let's roll into these vegan sushi rolls. Delicious, healthy, and 100% vegan. Ingredients you'll need: 1 cup sushi rice, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon sugar, pinch of salt, nori sheets, 1 avocado, sliced 1 cucumber, julienned 1 carrot, julienned red bell pepper, thinly sliced tofu or tempeh, optional soy sauce, pickled ginger, wasabi for serving cooked sushi rice until tender. Mix in rice vinegar, sugar and salt while warm. Let it cool to room temperature. Place a sheet of nori on a bamboo mat. Spread a thin layer of rice evenly over the nori, leaving a small edge at the top. Add your fillings: avocado, cucumber, carrot, red pepper, and tofu if you like a protein boost. Roll it up tightly using the bamboo mat. Dampen the edge to seal it shut. Use a sharp knife to slice into bite-sized rolls. Plate it beautifully and serve with soy sauce, pickled ginger, and a touch of wasabi. Healthy, colorful, and full of flavor. These vegan sushi rolls will be your new favorite. Like, share and try it today, Cookmasters.